Assalamu alaikum class, hope you'll be doing great. Today I'm going to deliver a lecture for class 4. It's unit number 5. The name of the chapter is The Ambassador's Disguise. First of all, we'll have to understand the main term, that is ambassadors. You would have very well heard about that ambassador of that country visited that country or this. They are basically representatives of different countries, नुमाइंदा. डिस्गाइज कहते हैं बहरूपिया, यानी कि जो आप नहीं हैं लेकिन आप वो बने, दैट इज़ डिस्गाइज. अच्छा जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल बी गोइंग थ्रू द वर्ड मीनिंग सेशन. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ एम्बेसडर. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू द मीनिंग, नुमाइंदा. देन इज़ बोस्ट, शेखी बिगाड़ना. लांस, ये वुडन स्टिक होती है बेसिकली, लकड़ी का हथियार. देन ग्लेयर्ड, ग्लेयर्ड गेज्ड, घूरना, गौर से देखना. माउंटेड, टू क्लाइंब. रेस्क्यू, बचाना. And tribute, inam. Now we'll be going towards the word sentences session. First word is ambassador. तो इसका sentence आप ऐसे बना सकते हैं, I met the ambassador of UK. UK is basically shortest form for United Kingdom. Okay. Then there is boast. He boasts about his wealth, कि वो अपनी wealth के बारे में exaggerate करता रहता है. Then comes tribute. He paid him the tribute. And then rescue. He rescued him from prison. उसने उसे prison से बचाया. Now I am going to narrate the story, The Ambassador's Disguise. This is basically about the king of Vladimir, that once he invited many barons to his party, and they were exaggerating or they were boasting about their wealth, their fame, or whatever they had. A person whose name was Tower, he was sitting silent there. The king of Vladimir, he became very curious. He got closer to him and asked him about his silence, that why are you not talking about anything? He said that if I say something, you will get angry probably. He said, what is the reason why are you saying so? Please tell me whatever is in your mind. He says, okay, I tell you about my wife. Her name is Katrina, and she is best in everything, in every role she plays. Whether it is about playing music, it is about playing chess, or it is about being a warrior. She is best at everything. She is even better than you. When the prince of Vladimir listens about that, he gets angry about that. What he does as a punishment, he sends Tower to a dungeon and asks his army to keep him there for a long time. Okay. Now what happens? His wife Katrina comes to know that Tower is in dungeon, and why is he in dungeon is because of her, that he had boasted about her. Now what happens? What does Katrina do? She gets an idea in her mind that what I'll be calling 40 group of people, 40 people who are musicians. They are best musicians of the world, 40 people who are best at playing chess, and 40 who are great warriors. And she dresses up herself in an armor. She wants to show herself as a man. What she does, she goes to the palace and challenges the king, the prince of Vladimir, that I am going to fight with you in different roles of life, and let's see who is the biggest player. And if you lose at any one of the fields, I am going to marry your niece. The niece name is the Baba. He says, okay, I accept your challenge. Now the first competition starts. He says, okay, I want to see how do you play harp, how do you play music. She says, okay. She is acting like she is in disguise, like I am the ambassador of Greece and I am a man, but she is a girl. She has covered herself fully in armor. She starts playing the harp, and it is such a mesmerizing music that everybody loses itself into it. Okay, he says, okay, I give up, you won. Next game, he says, okay, let's play chess with me. I am best at it. She says, okay. Now they starts playing chess, and obviously she wins again. He says, okay, he asks her, his niece, okay, you're going to marry him because he is best at everything. Then she says, if you will not be marrying your niece with me, I have an army of 40,000 warriors. They are waiting at the gate palace, and they'll be obviously sending you to the prison.